Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Miss Noor. I have recently completed my MPhil Zoology degree from GC University, Faisalabad. I am presenting the topic Study on Growth Performance, Carcass Composition, and Nutrient Digestibility of Oreochromis niloticus juveniles fed on Chenopodium quinoa seed meal based diet. Aquaculture is an important part of our food production industry. The world population is increasing so fast as compared to the food sources, due to which there are the needs to develop the strategies for fulfilling the demands of food. The cost of fish meal and some other factors affecting the development of aquaculture industry, which limits its profitability. In fish farming, feed accounts for 50 to 60% of total fish farming cost. The primary goal for most of the fishermen is to produce high quality feed at lowest prices. Plant based protein sources of feed are suitable and profitable for aquaculture. Increasing prices of fish meal motivate researchers to find cost effective fish meal alternatives. Chenopodium quinoa is a member of the group of pseudocereals due to its good amino acid profile and unsaturated fatty acids, vitamins, dietary fibers, and minerals. Quinoa has excellent nutritional values. It was described as the most nutritious grain in the world by Smithsonian Institute, Washington. Total protein content of quinoa seed is 16.3% dry basis, greater than that of the barley 11% dry basis, rice 7.5% dry basis, wheat 15.4% dry basis. Quinoa becomes a high quality feedstuff due to its relatively high protein, fat, and starch contents. Methionine and lysine content in quinoa is 40 to 100 and 510 to 640 milligram per 100 gram respectively, due to which it is considered as complete protein. It is reported that lysine content of quinoa is almost double that of wheat and corn and 25% higher than rice. The fish species I was chosen is the Nile tilapia, which is a sea-chilled fish native to Africa, but today its major aquaculture industries are in Asia. Supply of freshwater fish species, especially common carp, is well dominated in the aquaculture industries. Tilapia are the third most farmed fish in the world after the carps or salmonids. The current research work was carried out to search out the best and lowest cost protein sources, such as quinoa seed meal, for commercially important species, that is Ornithoticus, to improve its production and to overcome the difficulties of expensive fish meal. Ornithoticus juveniles, purchased from Government Fish Seed Hatchery, Faisalabad, acclimatized to experimental conditions in fish nutrition laboratory for 2 weeks in V-shaped tanks. Aeration round the clock is provided to all the tanks through capillary system. Water quality parameters such as water temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen were maintained. Seeds were dehulled and then ground to a fine powder and mixed with fish oil. Then 10 to 15% distilled water is added to make a suitable dough. After that, proceed by pelleting machine to make feed pellets. Weight gain percentage is measured by the following formula, and FCR is measured by this formula. Calculation of digestibility is measured by this formula. The fish is fed at 5% live wet weight. 15 juveniles were kept in each tank and triplicate tanks were used. Tanks were washed after the 2 hours feeding trial. to remove all the uneaten particles of diet. Feces collected from the fecal collecting tube by opening valve 1 and valve 2. The feces are oven dried and analyzed by standard methods. Chemical analysis moisture determined by oven drying at 105 degrees centigrade for 12 hours. Crude protein by microgel apparatus. Crude fat by petroleum ether extraction. Ash by ignition at 650 degrees centigrade for 12 hours in electric furnace. Gross energy by oxygen bomb calorimeter. The results obtained in my research work shows that quinoa seed meal based diet enhanced the feed quality and increased the weight gain of fish. In Ornitholyticus juvenalis, the maximum weight gain 13.65 gram was observed at 20% level of fish meal replacement with quinoa seed meal, and the value was significantly different from weight gain 11.95 on 0% level. At 50% replacement level, weight gain was 12.27 was observed. The value of FCR was 0.98 of Niloticus on test diet with 20% level. The graph is showing the growth performance, weight gain in grams, nutrient digestibility. The result of current research indicates that at 20% level, the rate of digestibility of protein was highest and different from all other test diets. It was also observed that 20% replacement level of quinoa seed meal, the crude fat and gross energy showed highest values which were significantly different from the other test diets. Carcass composition at 20% level, maximum values of crude protein, fat while the minimum ash content, moisture, crude fiber and carbohydrates were observed as compared to the other levels. The conclusions are all the results showed the replacement of fish meal with quinoa seed meal not more than 20% is the best level for maximum fish growth. Thank you.